Hello, good evening. I hope you're all fine. So a quick one today. I'm going to be showing us a few things, and this tutorial is going to be aimed at showing us how to remove background from our pictures smartly. As we all know, we have a lot of graphic designers, we have Photoshop artists, you know, we have so many people out there that want to remove this background from their picture, and they've not actually been able to do it so fast, because as we all know, yeah, this is possible using Photoshop, but it's going to take a lot of time. Nobody has that time to be, you know, to nobody has that time to waste any longer. So now, on that note, I'm going to be showing us two ways to remove background from our pictures very fast. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start. The first one I'm going to be showing us is actually a website. So you can remove your background using this website. So if I were you, I would want to open my browser right now. Of course I have it open here, but for the sake of doing it all over, so you go to your browser, you type www.remove.bg, then you hit enter. Of course you should have an active internet connection for you to do this. So while we wait for this thing to load, I want to remind us, please, if you know you are gaining something of value from this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. By hitting the bell icon, you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's go back to the business we have. So the site is loaded here, and I'm going to tap upload image. You know, the beauty of this site is that you don't need to sign up, you don't even need to log in before you can use this feature. It's actually free of charge. So I'm going to type upload image, then I'm going to tap it and wait for my computer to do the job. It's actually hanging a bit, so let's just wait for it. Yeah, so it's opened. So I want to go to my pictures, or whatever you have your photos in your computer. So I'm going to want to look for a very nice picture. I can move its background. Okay, let me look for a very nice picture. Alright, so let me move the background of this picture. It's actually my girlfriend, so let me do it for her. So that's it. As you can see, it's so smart. So it's already done. As you can see, it's very smart and easy to use. You have the option of editing it if you want. Maybe you are not really, okay with what what the app has done. You can actually edit it and do some other stuffs. We have the eraser tool here, or restore. This erase tool helps you like erase some parts that will not really cut well. And also we have other options here. You can actually change the background, you can put anything you want. Of course, it's very easy to use, and you just need to tap any of it, then you need to wait for it, because this is actually done. Alright, so we have it. As you can see, I've actually converted my picture to a very nice one. As you can see, it's very beautiful right now. So you can just use this download button to download your image. Just tap on download, and as you can see, it's downloaded already. Then you can always open with your app. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's see. So it's loading. Let's wait for it. Alright, it's about to pop up. So as you can see, it's very clear and very easy to use. Alright, so that's the first one. So let's go to the other one that we can use. So this other one is actually an Android application that you can download on Play Store. Okay, so if I were you, I would want to open my Play Store. Of course, I don't really have this. I'm actually recording this thing using my computer. It's not an Android device, but I'm going to make sure I explain it as simple as possible. So I'm going to first, let me just put photo room here. Photo room. Alright, so I already have the app here. Let me see. So yeah, this is, I'm in Play Store right now. So this is actually the logo. Please do not download anything else apart from this application. This is actually the logo. Okay, so you just search for Photo Room Studio Photo Editor on in Play Store and install it. But please, let's I want us to note that this app only works with Android version 8.0 and above. So if you have any lesser version of Android, I'm so sorry, it might not really work for you. But then you have the first option, which is actually cool. So nobody gets to lose here. Alright, once you download, you install, and you just run the app. Basically, you tap on the the icon to add your photos, then you just tap the convert button and that's it, it's done. So technology is evolving every day, and this is the latest for now. So recap of what I just said: we have background remover. You use www.remove.bg, you upload your image and that's it. You cut it, cut the background out, and that is it. Then the other option is using Play Store on your Android. You search for Photo Room Studio Photo Editor and you download it and use the app as appropriate. But the one I would recommend is this online one, because it actually has a lot of options that you can use and it's very fast. And of course you can use it on any device as far as the device is connected to the internet. So that's that about today's tutorial. Alright, so if you have questions, I want you to use the description box. I want you to use the comment section, and comment what you think about this app. And if you loved it, if you loved what you've actually gained today, you can do well to subscribe to this channel for more exciting hacks. Alright, so that is it. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.